Hello Year 2 and welcome to your science lesson for today. This half term we're going to be learning all about animals including humans. Now before we start, what I'd like you to do is have a think about everything you already know about animals including humans. So think about what you have already learnt this year in Year 2, all about animals and their habitats and where they live. Have a think about what animals might look like, maybe how many legs they have or whether they have fur or not. And also think about what different animals might eat. Once you've had a think about this, what I'd like you to do in your exercise book is to create a mind map to write down all the different things that you know at the moment all about animals including humans. So pause the video now and have a go at your mind map. By the end of this lesson, hopefully you will be able to add to your mind map with all the interesting bits of information you've learnt about animals including humans. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at the basic needs of animals and humans. So just have a think for a couple of minutes. What are the basic needs of an animal or a human? So what do we need to survive? Pause the video for a couple of minutes while you have a quick think. So, what do animals, including humans, need to survive? So, firstly, water. All animals need water to survive. So, many animals drink water. Some animals even live in water. Air. So all animals and humans need air to survive. Now, we breathe in oxygen through our lungs as humans and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Other animals, for example, a fish, they live in water and they need to breathe in water through their gills. A worm, for example, doesn't breathe in through its lungs, it breathes in through its skin. Food. All animals, including humans, need food to survive. And animals, including humans, can be divided into 3 groups in terms of the types of food that they eat. So some animals are carnivores. This means that they eat meat. A carnivore is a predator because it has to find and catch its prey. And some carnivores, such as wolves, hunt in a pack. They will move silently and slowly to form a circle around their prey before they attack. See if you can think of any other animals that might work in a pack or hunt other animals. So we've got spiders who make webs to catch their prey. We have sharks and we've also got lions. Herbivores are animals which only eat plant materials. This means leaves, flowers, fruits, or even wood. Sheep, horses, rabbits, and snails are well-known examples of herbivores which eat grass and leaves. A parrot, however, eats fruits and nuts, can also be called a herbivore. If a human only eats plant material, do you know what they are called? Pause the video now and have a think. Some humans who choose to only eat plant-based material are called vegetarians or vegans. Omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and meat. So for example, chickens are omnivores. They also eat seeds, but they can also eat worms. Human beings are generally omnivores unless they choose not to eat meat. And like we've just said, these people are called vegetarians. Okay, your first activity for this afternoon is to try and complete this sheet here. It will be attached on the dojo for you. If you can't use this sheet, you can simply just write down your answers in your exercise book in different columns, like a table. So I'd like you to tell me in a couple of sentences what the basic needs of a human are. And then I'd like you to write in the Venn diagram what we need to survive, what we would like to survive, and what we do not need to survive. Use this sheet to help you. Think carefully about what we actually need to survive. And think carefully about those things that we like to do. And think about those things that we just don't really need to survive. Before you complete this task, have a look at the link on the dojo, which will send you to a video for BBC Bitesize, all about what animals, including humans, need to survive. There's also a quiz on the end of that link to help you. Once you've finished, please upload your activity onto the system for me to have a look at. Thank you.